Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got an exciting review for you. We're diving into the world of advanced car navigation with the latest Garmin DriveSmart 76. If you're in the market for a top-notch GPS navigator, you've come to the right place. Stick around to see why this device might just be your next road trip essential. In this video, we'll explore the Garmin DriveSmart 76, the ultimate car GPS navigator that combines convenience, safety, and smart features. This 7-inch high-resolution device provides map updates of North America, making it a reliable companion for any road trip. With Garmin's easy-to-read display and advanced voice assist, users can effortlessly navigate to their destinations without taking their hands off the wheel or their eyes off the road. The DriveSmart 76 boasts a suite of driver alerts, including notifications for school zones, sharp curves, and speed changes, promoting safer driving. The built-in history database, along with the U.S. National Parks Directory and Tripadvisor traveler ratings, ensures that users can discover and explore notable sites and points of interest with ease. The addition of Foursquare PO adds another layer of convenience for finding new and exciting places. Connectivity is a standout feature of this device. Pairing with a compatible smartphone allows access to live traffic, fuel prices, parking information, weather updates, and smart notifications through the Garmin Drive app. The Bluetooth technology enables hands-free calling, enhancing safety by allowing drivers to stay connected without distractions. The inclusion of Alexa built-in adds a touch of futuristic convenience, letting drivers play music, listen to audiobooks, and access the news all while keeping their focus on the road. The Garmin DriveSmart 76 also comes with built-in Wi-Fi for easy map and software updates. This navigator's sleek design and user-friendly interface make it an excellent choice for both tech-savvy users and those seeking a straightforward, reliable GPS solution. Elevate your driving experience with the Garmin DriveSmart 76 and enjoy every journey with confidence and ease. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tech reviews and tips. Drop a comment below with your thoughts on the Garmin DriveSmart 76 and let us know what other gadgets you'd like us to review. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Happy driving!